Every time you stop at a petrol pump, you see two options: regular and premium. One is cheaper, one sounds better. But here's the real question. Are you protecting your engine, or are you just paying extra for nothing? Many drivers believe premium petrol gives more power, better mileage, and a cleaner engine. But for many cars, that may not be true at all. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when premium petrol is worth it, when it is completely unnecessary, and the one mistake that could actually damage your engine. In this video, we are going to break down regular versus premium petrol in simple language. No complicated mechanical terms. Just clear, practical information every car owner should know. You'll learn what premium petrol really means, what octane rating is, whether premium fuel improves mileage, whether it makes your car faster, and how to check what fuel your car actually needs. And make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also explain a simple rule that can save you money every month without hurting your car. Regular petrol is the standard fuel used by most everyday cars. It has a lower octane rating compared to premium petrol. But that does not mean it is bad or low quality. Regular petrol is designed for normal engines. Most family cars, small cars, daily commute vehicles, and economy cars are made to run perfectly on regular fuel. Lower price does not mean unsafe. Think of regular petrol like normal food for a normal person. If your body needs a simple, balanced meal, buying expensive sports nutrition will not automatically make you run faster. But then why does premium petrol cost more? That's where Octane comes in. Premium petrol usually has a higher octane rating. This means it can handle higher pressure inside the engine before it burns. But here's an important clarification. Premium does not always mean more powerful. It does not mean it contains magic energy. And it does not automatically give better mileage in every car. Premium petrol is not like a stronger energy drink for your car. It is more like fuel designed for engines that run under higher pressure. Cars that may need premium fuel include sports cars, luxury cars, turbocharged engines, high-compression engines, and performance vehicles. So the real difference is not always quality. The real difference is whether your engine is designed to use it. Octane rating tells us how resistant petrol is to early burning or knocking inside the engine. Your engine is designed to burn fuel at the right time. If fuel burns too early, it can create a knocking or pinging sound. Over time, that can affect performance and may damage engine parts. Higher octane petrol is harder to ignite too early, so it helps engines that create more pressure and heat. If your car's engine is normal, regular petrol can already handle the pressure. But if your engine is high performance, regular petrol may burn too early, and that's where premium fuel becomes useful. Now here's where many people waste money. They think higher octane means more power, but that is not always true. Premium petrol gives more power only if your engine is designed or tuned to take advantage of it. If your car requires premium fuel, using premium helps the engine perform as intended. But if your car only requires regular fuel, premium may not give a noticeable power increase. Modern engines can adjust timing, but that does not mean premium always creates extra performance. Premium petrol does not add horsepower by itself. It only supports engines that need higher octane. If your car manual says regular petrol is recommended, then using premium may make you feel better, but your car may not actually perform better. But what about mileage? This is where the biggest myth starts. Some people say premium petrol gives better mileage. In some specific cars, it might. But for most regular cars, the difference is usually very small, or not noticeable at all. If the engine is designed for regular fuel, premium fuel may not burn in a way that improves efficiency, and the extra cost may be higher than any small mileage gain. Imagine premium petrol costs more per liter, but your car only gives a tiny improvement in mileage. You may still be spending more overall. Don't judge by one tank. If you want to test it, compare several full tanks under similar driving conditions. Same route, same traffic, same tire pressure, and the same driving style. But before you test anything, there is one place where the correct answer is already written. The most important thing is not what your friend says, not what the petrol pump worker says, and not what sounds premium. The answer is in your car's owner's manual or on the fuel cap. There are usually 3 possibilities. Regular required. Use regular petrol. Premium is usually unnecessary. Premium recommended. The car can run on regular, but premium may give better performance. Premium required. Use premium petrol. Regular fuel may cause knocking or reduced performance. If your car says premium required, don't ignore it just to save money. You might save a little at the pump, but risk long-term engine issues. So the question is not which fuel is better. The better question is, which fuel was my engine designed for? You are probably wasting money on premium petrol if your car is designed for regular fuel, and you are buying premium only because you think it is automatically better. Premium fuel is useful when the engine needs it. For normal engines, regular petrol is usually enough. The word premium creates a psychological effect. Premium sounds safer, cleaner, and more powerful. But in many cases, it is simply the wrong product for the wrong engine. If you fill premium every week and your car does not need it, the extra money adds up month after month. That money could be better spent on tire pressure, oil changes, air filters, or proper servicing. And actually, maintenance often improves fuel economy more than premium petrol ever will. Premium petrol is worth it when your manual says premium is required. Your car has a turbocharged or high-compression engine that recommends premium. You hear knocking or pinging, and your mechanic suggests higher octane. Your vehicle performs noticeably better with premium, and the manual supports it. Or you drive a performance or luxury car designed for higher octane. In these cases, premium petrol is not a luxury. It is the right fuel for the engine. But don't use premium as a solution for every engine problem. If your car is knocking, misfiring, losing power, or using too much fuel, the real problem may be spark plugs, sensors, dirty filters, poor maintenance, or fuel system issues. Regular petrol is the smart choice when your car manual says regular is recommended or required. For most small cars, family cars, budget cars, and daily use vehicles, regular petrol does the job perfectly. The smartest driver is not the one who buys the most expensive fuel. The smartest driver is the one who uses the right fuel and maintains the car properly. Keep tires properly inflated. Change engine oil on time. Replace dirty air filters. Avoid aggressive acceleration, and don't carry unnecessary weight. These habits often save more fuel than switching to premium. So, regular versus premium petrol. Are you wasting money? The answer is yes. You might be, if your car does not need premium fuel. Here's the simple rule. If your car says regular, use regular. If it says premium recommended, test and compare. And if it says premium required, use premium. Because premium petrol is not always better. The right petrol is better. If this video helped you understand fuel better, like the video, subscribe for more simple car tips, and comment below. Does your car use regular or premium petrol?